Okay, so your chapter 3, rate of interest or interest rates. So the first topic that we need to learn in this is what is rate of interest? What is interest actually about? So we are all familiar with the word rate of interest in the banking sector. So what is interest? Interest is what you get when you keep a certain amount of money in the bank. Or rate of interest can also be defined in terms of loans, where when you take a loan amount, a certain amount is put on as interest, where you have to pay the amount of loan as well as the extra rate of interest. So in basic terms, or in simple layman words, this is what rate of interest is about. Now, in common language, interest is a payment made by a borrower to the lender for the use of money and is expressed as a certain rate of percentage per year. But in economics, interest is defined differently by different economists. So we can see that if in generally we speak, we say that interest is just the amount which a borrower has to pay for the use of the money that he takes from the lender, and this is fixed for a certain period of time and also for a certain amount. Now, it economics, the rate of interest has been defined in a very different manner by different economists. So we shall go through one or two of the economists. So according to Wicksell, he says that interest is a payment made by the borrower of capital by virtue of its productivity or as a reward for his subsistence. In here, the word subsistence means that that person who has given you the loan, he has performed assistance by parting with his money. So according to Wicksell, interest is the reward which a person gets for his assistance by keeping his money away from himself. On the other hand, Keynes regards interest as a purely monetary phenomena and defines it as the premium which has to be offered to induce people to hold their wealth in some form other than hoarded money. So Keynes has described the rate of interest as that incentive so that people ऐसे ही घर में अपना पैसा को जमा के ना रखें, but to put them in the bank so as to get a certain rate of money.